Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang 6G, guys, 6th generation. You need to remove or replace headlight switch. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can save quite a bit of money. So let's go ahead and explain what needs to be done to remove and replace that switch now. So now guys, okay, what do we need to do? We need to get a prying removal tool. We need to remove that trim piece. So that trim piece, okay, if we get a prying removal tool, okay, we're going to go underneath it and there is a few places where it will have clips. Okay, a few places where you may have multiple clips. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we can find them, okay, to come out, because it will be quite tight, guys. Okay, let's see now. Oh, I almost came out on this side. Okay, perfect. Coming out now. Okay, careful with these two, snap together probably here. Okay, let me see what's happening here so we can actually analyze. Right here there is one clip, plastic clip, right here. So, okay, if we come over here in an angle, okay, let's see if the two will come together out at the same time then. Okay, and I broke the plastic prying too, but the thing didn't come out. Those clips are extremely tight. So the first thing, guys, okay, that we need to do, let's explain now. First we need to remove that piece here, okay, because that piece, okay, goes, okay, on top of this piece. So first we need to start right there with a clip removal tool or prying tool. Okay, just be careful, guys, because everything is so tight on this car. Okay, somebody tried to remove that in the past probably. You can see the plastic too is broken. We have another clip right here on top. Okay, and that trim piece came out. Check it out, just like that. Now we need to continue with the next one. So now, one bolt with 7mm socket, we can go ahead, okay, remove that one. You will need to remove that to replace the switch or to replace knee airbag, anything like that. Here you have multiple clips that we need to pry. Okay, just be careful, guys. Okay, when you pry, came out pretty easy. So two clips, metal ones on top, two on the bottom. All we have to do to disconnect it, press down here and pull it out. Okay, this is your headlight switch. Now, if you need to remove it, okay, all we have to do, just get it out of this plastic, okay? You have 4 things where you need to squish towards each other and you just pull it out. Okay, it's pretty simple at that point, but all 4 kind of like need to come, okay, at the same time. Okay, right there. So that's how you guys remove that switch if you need to. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing to replace headlight switch on Ford Mustang. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.